Today we're doing a comparison between the PROTON MAIL desktop app and the browser. We want to see which is better. Is the PROTON MAIL desktop app better than using your browser? The answer isn't a simple yes or no. It depends on your needs for security, convenience, and performance. Let's start with the desktop app advantages. The dedicated desktop app has key benefits. For example, performance. It is a standalone application, so generally faster and more responsive than a browser tab. Notifications. This is the second advantage. It provides reliable native system notifications that work even when the app is closed in the background. And lastly, convenience. It lives in your dock or taskbar for one-click access, which is separate from your browser clutter. Now let's look at the browser advantage. Number 1, accessibility. You can access your email from any computer in the world instantly without installing anything. This is vital for travel or using public machines. 2, no installation. It requires zero disk space or admin rights on your device. And lastly, always updated. You are always running the very latest version without ever needing to update the app yourself. So let's look at the security verdict. Crucially, both options offer identical end-to-end encryption and security. PROTON's core protection works the same whether you use the app or the browser. The better choice is yours. Choose the desktop app for a faster, integrated experience on your personal machine, and choose the browser for ultimate flexibility and access from anywhere. Hope you found this video helpful.